Your house, your rules.
This is from Cali Concoctions on Instagram. How offensive and bad is it to wash your mushrooms quickly under running water? And when does wiping them clean matter the most?
Well, first of all, I can't see you, so anything you do in your own home is not offensive to me. It's your home, your house, your rules, period. Generally speaking, mushrooms, today, all they need is a little wipe. I don't put them under running water because if it's a white mushroom or creminis, I find it makes them rubbery. And I always put them away in a paper sack. And just a quick wipe is enough for me, and it gets them browner quicker. But of course, you can do whatever you want. Didn't you want to ask me about miso?
Yes. Judith Alcombrath asked about miso via email.
I keep a couple of miso in the fridge at all times because it has such a long shelf life.
She wants to know what it is. And
miso is fermented soybean paste. That's exactly what it is. It's made with salt and a type of mold, don't be scared by that word, that they use to make sake. And it creates this delicious fermented bean paste. White miso is very mild. Red miso I use for dishes like beef ramen. But you don't have to be making Japanese food or even Asian cuisine to use miso. I make miso butter for popcorn. I love miso and fresh herbs and butter on summer corn. And a lot of people serve corn at the holidays too. It's a really versatile, very specific flavor that you can use in varying degrees. But that's technically what it is. It's fermented soybeans and has an incredibly long shelf life. So you can keep it in the fridge for a really long time.
This is from R5Ander on Instagram. Can you teach anybody to cook?
It depends on their will to learn. As with anything, I think that if you enjoy eating, you can learn to cook the things that you want to prepare in your home. You have to have the will to learn anything in life. But really, it's about what you want in your life. And I think a lot of folks have come to cooking maybe for the first time or gone back to it for obvious reasons during the past year, and that's lovely. It's really lovely. When we cook, it's not to just get something on the table. It's a fun, emotional thing that you can do for yourself and for the people that you care about. It's a self-esteem builder, which is why I love when kids cook.